Good morning, students. We are already start the chapter sets. Here we already learned how to describe a set. So there is a three method to describe a set. One is roster method or tabular form. Next one is description method, and third one is rule method or set builder form. Now today we are going to teach you types of set. First is finite set. Finite set means what? The set in which the process of counting of elements surely comes to an end. It's called a finite set. Say, take an example. Natural numbers less than 25. It's a countable and its end having 8, so it's a finite set. Vowels of English alphabet, it is also a finite set. So these are the example of finite set. The third one, the set of all mountains in the world. That means it is countable, so it's a finite set. Next is infinite set. That means the element of a set is countable, is a finite set, and the element which is not countable, that means not finite, is called a infinite set. Take example. Suppose set n equals to given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So here we can't counting the how many elements present in the set. So it's a infinite set. Next, if you write it in the statement or description method, the set of all natural numbers. So it's uncountable. Now, next one is W. W stand for, N stand for natural number, W stand for whole number. Whole number always start from 0. And this is given. That means the whole number which is uncountable. All the whole numbers. That means it is also infinite set. All the integers. Suppose it is given ... minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and ... That means integers which is also, all integers which is also are uncountable. So it's an infinite set. Next one is equal set. Next one is equal set. Equal set means if we compare two sets where the elements are same, then we can say that the sets are equal. The two sets, suppose A and B are said to be equal if every elements of A is in B and every elements of B is in A, and we can write A equals to B. Take the example. First we write equal set. Heading is, third one is equal sets. Okay. Example. Suppose A is given minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. And B is given x such that x belongs to integer which is square less than 16. So you can understood that where x is square less than 16 and all are integers. Less than 16 means what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4. 3 square means 9. 1. First you take minus 3 whole square. You can see minus 3 whole square means 9, which is less than 16. Take minus 2 whole square means minus 2 whole square is 4, which is also less than 16. Minus 1 whole square, that means 1, which is less than 16. 0 means 0. So 1 square means 1. 2 whole square means 4. 3 whole square means 9. That means these elements which is all are present, this element and this elements are equal. So we can say that A equals to, we can say that set A equals to set B. So to understand clearly, we can take another example. One more example. Suppose A is given later in the word good, and B is given G, O and D. You know that when we write the set, we cannot repeat the same element twice. So here 2, 0. So if we write the description method into the roster method, you can write it A equals to what? G, O and D. So that means this element and this element are equal. There are 3 elements are here, also 3, and G is here, O is here and D is here. So we can say that A equals to B. Right? This is called equal set. Now, next one is single tone set. Single tone set means a set containing only one element is called single tone. There are how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. But if we write only one element, only one element there. So we can say that it's a single tone set. Only one elements are there, so you can say that single tone set. Suppose, second example, it is given that X is the, such that X is the even prime number. You know that prime numbers are what? The number which is not divisible by 2. So the prime number, only even prime number is what? Only 2. So 2 is the only even prime number. The set, suppose let A equals to 2. So how many elements are there? Only 1. So we can say that this is the single tone set. Now next is equivalent set. Equivalent set means two finite set A and B are said to be equivalent if they have the same number of elements, and we can write A is equivalent to B. How you write? A is equivalent to B. That means the number of elements should be equal. Suppose A is given A, E, I, O, U. How many elements are there? Here elements is, number of elements is 5. This stands for number of elements is 5. Now B is given 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So number of elements in B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So see, this is 5 and this is 5. So we can say that they are equivalent set. Suppose you can say second example. C equals to A, B and C, and D equals to 1, 2 and 3. See, number of elements in C is 3. Number of elements in D is 3. So you can say that C is equivalent to D. Okay. Now next class we will discuss another types of sets like disjoint set, overlapping set, empty set. Okay. So next class we will discuss more types of set and start the second exercise of this chapter. Till then, thank you.